Welcome to our updated guide on how to change your phone number in WhatsApp. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Whether you're using the same phone or switching to a new one, we'll walk you through each step. First, open WhatsApp on your device. If you're using an Android, you'll see 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to open the menu. iPhone users can skip this step and head straight to the settings. Once you've accessed the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp account. Scroll down and choose Account. Here, you'll find options related to your account settings, including the ability to change your phone number. Tap on Change Number, then tap Next. WhatsApp will explain what happens when you change your number, so take a moment to read through the information provided. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your old phone number in the first field and your new phone number in the second field. Make sure to enter both numbers in full international format. Tap Next to proceed. The next step is optional but useful: notifying your contacts about the change. You can choose to notify all your contacts, only those you have chats with, or select a custom list. This feature is handy for keeping your friends and family updated. Once you've made your selection, tap Done. Note that your group chats will automatically be notified of your new number. Finally, you'll need to verify your new phone number. WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new number. Enter this code to complete the process. Once verified, your WhatsApp account will be updated with your new phone number, and your old number will no longer be associated with your account. That's it. Changing your phone number in WhatsApp is a simple process that ensures you can continue using the app seamlessly with your new number. Remember to back up your chats before making any changes, especially if you're switching phones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates.